Hi, and welcome to this course, Execute Analytics Queries in Couchbase. My name is Kishan Iyer, and I will be your instructor for this course. A little about myself first. I have a master's degree in computer science from Columbia University and have previously worked in companies such as Deutsche Bank and WebMD in New York. I presently work for Looneycon, a studio for high-quality video content. As it gets easier and easier to gather data, performing analytics operations to understand what it conveys and then make the right business decisions is becoming more and more important, which is why Couchbase includes an analytics service to simplify this task of data analysis. In this course, we delve into the implementation of analytics as a separate service in Couchbase, so that it does not interfere with operations on bucket data. We explore the steps needed to set up data so that they can be used by analytics, and then focus on running analytics queries. We then turn our attention towards the query language for Couchbase Analytics, which is known as NCL for analytics. We look at how this is similar to, yet subtly different from regular NCL, and look into various operations which can be performed with this language. We explore a number of clauses which our analytics queries can include, the operators which we can use, as well as the built-in functions which can be invoked to operate on document data. Finally, we cover the use of window functions to perform analytics operations over partitions of data. Once you have finished this course, you will be well equipped to make sense of large volumes of document data using the Couchbase Analytics service. This will help you spot trends in the underlying information, prepare the data for visualizations, and ultimately will help your organization make the right business decisions based on an analytical and data-driven approach.